All right, now let's talk about content personalization. So if you want to personalize the kind of content that you send to either prospect or the customer that buy product from you, Team Neolife app, which is one of the app, we have basically two app. One app which is Neolife app, you can use to check the backend product performance and the rest. Team Neolife is basically a very good marketing tools, so you can use it to send a personalized content for any of your subscribers inside the drip. So when you click that, you click on this TNL dashboard, you find yourself here. So as you are here now, so depend on how many uh, contacts you have. So if as I click on the manage contact and manage contact right now, you see someone that I'm using as a demo here. This is a demo. So if I want to send a personalized marketing information to this person right now, if I want to send, all I need to do is to select the person's name and click on their action of what I want to do. Maybe I want to send mail, I want to add them to do item, maybe something, or I want to add them to autoresponder for some autoresponder email. We will get to all this, you know how it is. So if I want to send email, I can just click on the send mail, a personalized mail to this person. So immediately this shows now, so I can pick from the media library the particular things I want to send, which can be picture, which can be picture, it can be PDF, it can be anything. It can be PDF, can be audio. So I can also say who is sending this. I have a template I've already built called Neolife Team Digital Team. So this is a template I've already built. So I can attach something else to this. So if you get to know how to build, when you get it, you get to know how to actually build this. So if I click send right now, so I need to agree to this first. If I agree to this, I preview the message. Look at the message. I've built this message before, but you get to a point that you know how to build it. But this message, I want to send it to only this person. So you have all your contact listed there, but you want to send it to only one person specifically. All I need to do is I will just send this mail, and immediately I send this mail, the person will receive this email on his or her email. So I just sent a personalized content to that person right now. So let's check the email. Yeah, so let me see if the emails have arrived. Once the emails arrived, and okay, the emails have arrived now, so I will share the new screen of my email. So look at the email. Right, I use one of my downline account to send that so that you can see the text. So I use that account to send to me as a personalized email. This is what this company has done for us. You can see Neolife, you have your name and your number. This is one of my downlines for you to actually see. So you have this now, so I can, if I want to call, I can call this person, and if I want to check the website to take you to the person's landing page, to the person's email address. So this is where customer or prospect will receive a one-click personalized email to only you. So, and say the message is for this person. So if you want to unsubscribe, this is like a mailing list too. And if you want to view this, you can click this, and it's open on a new browser. And as it's open on a new browser, you'll be able to see the content. So you have on the another landing page which is being customized. You are going to know how to customize this. The company has built it, but you can customize it in the best way. So these are the things that are built together that should be able to send in one click to a prospect or a customer to enjoy this. All this media is already being built by the company for each and every one to use for marketing tools. So I send charge up, I send digital tools, I send so as the name implies, I call it digital Neolife digital teams, which simply means this is best sent to the new team member to study with. You can see charge up, digital business tools, the Neolife app, the starter kit, and also the business support tools. This is PDF to download. And if it is for customer that has been buying product from you, so you can choose the categories of product that have to do with customer. So the next time when we get to the building or presentation, like the way that I built this one, I will use a product, but this is built specifically with team member in mind. So again, so if it's a customer that received this, can send you more info if you need request, can buy on the shopping, and can sign up if he or she desire to sign up. That's why I have get instant access. By default, what you have here is sign up as save, but I went in and customized this to get instant access. So this is how you can send a personalized message through the help of Neolife drip campaign to prospects or customer. Thank you for watching.